We begin tonight with a new development in the case of 10-year-old Jesse Wilson, the boy who went missing in 2016 and was found dead in the desert 2 years later. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. For 12 News at 10, I'm Kariba Devine.
And I'm Mark Curtis. Today we learned that criminal charges against Jesse's adoptive mother, Crystal Wilson, have been dismissed. 12 News journalist Gabriella Becerra spoke with Jesse's family and is in downtown Phoenix tonight with their reaction.
Prosecutors say there's not enough evidence to secure a conviction at this time, but Jesse's loved ones are not giving up hope for justice. They want investigators to take another look.
This case should have been worked and closed years ago.
Shock and disbelief felt by Jesse Wilson's biological grandmother, Cynthia Lauderdale, telling me she believes there is enough evidence in his case. Investigators just need to use it.
Jesse deserves justice, and his case needs to be worked and not set aside and go cold.
Buckeye police tell us they're not giving up on Jesse, saying, quote, "This is a very complicated case and we knew there would be challenges. The bottom line is Crystal Wilson is the only person who knows what happened to Jesse." Wilson reported Jesse missing in 2016. His body was found in the desert 2 years later. Wilson was charged with concealing a dead body, but this week prosecutors opted to dismiss the case without prejudice. The Maricopa County Attorney's Office telling us, quote, "At this time, there was insufficient evidence to move forward with the trial against the defendant."
They also have to feel confident and comfortable that the evidence that they're going to present, the evidence that they have, is going to be sufficient to obtain a conviction.
Because the case was dismissed without prejudice, Attorney Hector Diaz tells me the county attorney will have the chance to present new charges if the opportunity arises.
The public shouldn't assume here that because there was this announcement that there was a dismissal, that this is the end of the case.
Do you feel like you will ever get justice for Jesse?
At this point, I'm almost thinking that I'm not, but my hopes are up that they will go ahead and investigate more.
The Maricopa County Attorney's Office says if new evidence is discovered and brought forward, they would re-examine the case. Reporting in Phoenix, Gabriella Becerra, 12 News.
All right, Gabby, thank you. Scott